Hi, welcome back. I am Cam from Cam's Coloring Crew, and this is
McKenna from McKenna's Corner.
And today we will be making some awesome candy salad. So, let's get into it. So, candy salad is a mixture of a bunch of candies mixed together. And today we will be using
Some gummy belts. Some more, but they're little. Sour Patch Kids. Gummy worms. Gummy watermelons. Gummy nerds. Gummy clouds. And some gummy bears. And gummy cherries. That's what we are gonna use. So I hope you enjoy this, what we're gonna make.
We're going to start with the sour belts, and they needed to be cut, so that's why we're doing them first.
Kids, if you're doing this at home, make sure to not cut yourself. It really hurts.
There we go. All of them cut up.
So now we are gonna add in these. So let's put them. Comment down below if those look the same.
Now it's time for personally my favorite, the gummy clouds. There we go.
And now, gummy cherries.
And now it's time for another one that I like, Sour Patch. There are a bunch of sour things in this salad.
Now, some gummy sour watermelon.
And now it's time for gummy bears. Whoops.
Now for some nerd gushers.
Now time for some sour gummy worms.
Agitate. This is funny.
Now the
Now
best
the best
part. Eating!
Super good.